But also it's a growing concern, especially if you look at the trajectory with which China is growing. Now it has become some sort of a competition between the two, especially after the relations have taken a hit in the last few weeks. So in that sense, do you think there is a spirit of competition that is increasing in the people because we live in such a tough neighborhood?
See, people like us, who knew technologically, and I also knew about a lot of space. Therefore, I know a lot of strategic sector. Our space was not only peace. Even though we didn't do anything military, we knew what all can be done. Because the same thing is used for something else. I do for agricultural field, that is used for surveillance. Okay. Then other areas of technology, I came to know when I went to TIFAC in some more detail. Let me tell you, since you asked about China, we have seen the countries, that country also had laid out a vision approximately for that much years.
Right.
Details were available. We have looked at everybody because one should not be reinventing the thinker. But those fellows meticulously did that. At the time when we started the 20, even though they have opened it up, etc., they were technologically, industrially around 95, somewhat similar to India. Right. You look at data, somewhat similar to India.
Correct.
Then they steadily worked. I can't use some language in public. They worked their thing off, ground it, and then did it.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is what they have achieved, and they were very clear in the goal. They didn't want anybody, they want to become number one.
Right.
Middle kingdom. Yeah. So they knew it is the technology which gives the strength. So they mastered the technology, self-reliance, and they in fact they had more sanctions on the space than what India. India also had a lot of sanctions, but their sanction was very bad. But still, they worked on it and then did it. Whereas here we have a hit and start. In technology, you can't do it. 2 years this thing, then a policy change, one government change, one this change, one bureaucrat change, one scientist himself says, oh, we will do something else. You have to have a steady path. And you can correct it only for technical reasons or for some market reasons, not for any other idiosyncrasies. This we don't have. This is our biggest problem is going to be this. Okay. There is no question of competition now. They are way ahead.
Right.
In a marathon, I am not even there. They have done, somebody has done about 10. I am still in the third round. You can't call it a competition, but it can be in mind that we also want to reach like that, at least possible for India, because of its size, because of its diversity, because of the resources, because of the human capabilities. I will not tell only the IITs and the great fellows, even our lowermost fellows, they adapt so fast. You see the way they have adapted. The fellows who don't know English, who don't know anything, etc., they adapted to many of these. Had they been given a proper skill without being what they were suffocated. Oh, do this, do Shakespeare in English, do a Ramanujam mathematics, and the fellow drops out.
Right.
So if we take care of that, we can do. That is the potential. But having said it, now I am 76 completed. For about 56 years, 20 years when Sarabhai fired in us, the vision, what can be done, we did it there. The small, this thing. After that, promise to performance in India is low.
Right.
Very bad. Promise very high, perform very low. This is not, I'm not telling only politicians. People will try to take only politicians, everywhere. Our S&T sectors and everything. Even some of our the so-called social sciences, we are nowhere near.
Right.
Anything where we can be proud of and then say, well, we did something. And much more so in basic research. Even though at top, there's nothing after C.V. Raman. M.N. Saha. We keep on telling them only.
Right.
Anything where we say that, okay, this was done by an Indian. Venkat does it a Nobel Prize. That fellow had a BSc left off, and he was rejected for medical. So these are the things which we need to address.
Right.
Then only that you have to say competition by words is no good. Competition by deed.
Actions. Right. Very beautifully said.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.